Kablay pi baro sa kutup kubor jongi ka Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san mata ka singi kilong. Perkat kang no iki ka tu kat ne ki school ha ka jela. Pendap training ki nyok kuwe ngot ha ka unarmed security guard na Bosco pana. Ban ai ejahar ka HNYF Women's Wing persya ka seng hinong dinai. Mentang ini pai ki kubor babanya. Haba jubab ya ka jingkili balabo da ka liang persya hayeng dor bar tawan mentakas ni na ka liang menteri badai pet ya ka tanat pule ula ka menrumboi ulaya tho ya ka yeng dor bar baga jingdon jeng ki skol ha ka jela kala bon palat haba ya nu jor ya ka jingdon kindong hikai kumta na ka liang ka sorkar ki thmu ban khang no hi ka to ka ni ki skol bar kali kan kata ya shibon kindong hikai da ka ba penbot shushu ba ka sorkar kadang bishar banya ya ku rukom penyat kini ki skol ki bahab ha samagra shiksha abhiyan.
Many of the schools have to be closed down, and many of the teachers have to lose their job. So it is both ways. What can we do? That's why we are deliberating, and we are continue to deliberate. We know the concern of the teachers. We know how to help them, but the constraint is that whether those managing committee will allow the government to take over the schools. That is number one question. Whether some school within the vicinity of 1 kilometer area for the primary school will be abolished since the people to ratio is less. Whether that could be done or not, because some teachers may have to lose their job.
Hene kasngi hayeng dor bar thawan na kalyang uba HM Shangpliang ubadai unong mikmat ka thai mau senram ulaya ro ya ka jingla ka sorkar jela man penkiu kerdan ya ka CHC sya ka PHC sau semper dangshan ha ka jo ka por la kentu ya ka sorkar bakan bo khambon chu iki jaka ajing sumar rengkar bat kinos ki doktor ban penbiang ru iki nong tre da ka ba ula ka do ru ba ka jela kamdunai ki doktor kinos kumba palomta
Himalaya M Shangpliang for having call my attention to the news items appearing in the Meghalaya Times, issued dated 24 February 2021 under the caption, Government invests 75 crore to upgrade PCCC. So I would therefore like to inform the Honourable Member and all the members of this August House, through you, of the fact of the matter as under. Government of Meghalaya has initiated the Meghalaya Health System Strengthening Project MHSSP in collaboration with the World Bank Group, in which it aims to infuse around 352 crores rupees, that is 70% from the World Bank and 20% from the state government, in a span of at least minimum 5 years, to contribute for the overall health sector development in the states.
Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ka penpau ka jingthrang banyo pentre kamno ya ka anchna yin ha upod usam jongka balatek kung ka KHADC building bylaws. Ba penpau ya ka nedo executive member ka tanat building bylaws uba polling do ula ong ba ka jingbam don ka anchna yin ka penlong ikibabon ban chna yin da ka ba kentupot wat chadu kilenti ya jongka umru.
But hadin mga nasyunti mga ya kaniga subject jongki building bylaws ni ia kani ka jing don kam ka bakki bangin don no eki bylaws namar haki babun ki shong ki thao ki bahab shabar jong ka sorshilo shabar jong municipal areas shabar jong ka greater Shillong areas ni ba ka jing thao ki yeng kentup eki building ki bahe kentup eki tourism related projects kalanang kenre but la poi put bakibrio ila complained shani ba kimio ban room shoot watch paying la jong atur di building kanika right of passage diat kam dan show na ta kajing kentur jong ki yeng shaki food shaki wa kini gelanang jur de but kajing kli kalong mano ban exercise ya kabur ban regulate ane ban penrenti iki bakum kita di jingte.
Hene kasni ka Bosco penar ka lala ban penlong ka passing out parade jongki nyopo wengut ki security guard bala pendep ka training ba ar banai pura hapo ka jingpek jongka Unique X Servicemen Security Agency license number 04 ka badan ya ka office trikam halang kerding shilo. Hakani kasni layadan rengkat u nehimaya tengkan kum u kongsan hakani ka program rengkat berubi kram di Marak SP kum u sembut kongsan u managing director ka Unique X Servicemen Security Agency lang kerding URA Marak, but kiwe ki ba khot kerpang ki ba kun thobi Reverend Father James Thernyang SDB, Provincial Economer INS, Person Suchen, wahe dong jongka salini koloni bi mentedu harengkat ka jinga don lang ki kimi ki kpa ki ba haye ki parlo ki para George ki ba pas training. Na pedang ki ba pas ka ni ka training, shipongot na ki layo ki khusnam ki benta ba pher. Haka jingkran jung Father James Thernyang ila ai jing kublej ki nong hikai jung ka X Servicemen Security Agency bakila jere ka Bosco penar ban penlong ya ka training haka ba bon ki khon samlakan thaibat shinrang kila yo jing mentoy shibon haka ni ka training.
I am very happy to be here, as brother has said, because of the love that I have for Bosco Penar and also for the young people, and especially to be part of your program today as you are completing your training. Idon ka thong ka bakrau kam tam na ka banta ka jingbha jong ki samla. Congratulations. It's the first time that I have seen the security training that is really good, that is really worth mentioning.
Ubikram di Marak SP ulai kublaya baro ki bala pas ya ka training bar ulai men CM ki baro bagi nyat chaprang ta ka jing shlur bar ka jing training.
And I'm sure some of you might be coming to Meghalaya Police also, because in the days to come there are many recruitment which are coming, and since this is a stepping stone for you, it will be easy for you when you go for the recruitment in our department also. So take it as a challenge. I assure you, once you have stepped into this first step, the next step will be very easy. But only thing is that you should maintain yourself. Thank you.
Unehimaya tengkan ula ai ka jingya ro ya ka jingla ban le baha kini ki nyopo wengut haka training ula ro ya ka jingdon sab jengki khamtam haka kasam parit bat ula pensluru ya ki daka baong ba kani ka jing pendap ya ka training kalong ka jingker khu ya ka jing im jengki shakmat la penkut ya kani ka program daka jing penbernya babon kun ki jing sha ki jing ruai ki ba ai men si bat shongshit
लड़की थी उसको देख के राइफलमैन चिंदी खींचना भूल गया हलदर मेजर देख लिया उसको पिट्ठू लगाया बल्लूराम एक सिपाही था
Kahnyotrap National Youth Front Women's Wing kiba pet ya ka baha kamiat jang ka imlang salang bat ka jat benriu hene ka singi khan riu terik uleber ar phoi kila ai da ka FIR show SPCT persha ya ka ROT Association of Meghalaya bandawa na ki bor jang ka an ban kemi kini ki breu ki badan khti ban le ki kam kiba ka imlang ka salang kimla ban priang Hagaba kran bakilat pathai kubor Hashilong Press Club ikong bijirwa ibalong i president ka HNYF Women's Wing ilaong ba ladadon kino ki pulet ki bayo ban kemi kini ki breu it's ngo baha ban pentip shikikur khnang ba kikur kinla ban pet yala ka kur ka jat ban ilaong rupa ka sorkar ka de ban shimkhia mardor ban pet ya kani ka kam ka ba pentho briai ka imlang ka sala
no na kaliang jongi yakatar ka de ka jing sisang ikwa ba ladadon kino ki pulet ki bayo ban kemi kini ya te kum ya kikur ya kijat ne kinu kijat kini kibru ki bayat ya katu kelenti ki dim pensaya kot kubor kenang ba kikur ki simkia ya kani kakam ada dei ka kanu ka kuru ki dim penmi be ya kani kenang ba kumba ong no ka kur jongar ngadon la ka jong kata ka kur bangin pek na mata ka kur ka jat te lese kum ki we ki bom tip ya kani ka jingnong tukum ki mi par ko di bensim kia yo lese ki deina kayeng kasem jongno jongno kata ngimla ban batai baka di kakur kajak jongno jin hadu ba ki bor jong ka an ki di ban kemi kini ban pensai haki media hi baki di kikur kita ki ba le ikini hijatkan
Kaseng sang himasima ka Bharatiya Janata Party hne kasengi ka khandriu tarik ulaber arhajar arphoi kala pelat patba eki matri kamjong kaseng ki badan khat nyau tali ki mat nagbanta kani ke election banwan jongka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council arhajar arphoi da president jongka uba Ernest Mauri haka office tri kamjongka Habiba Road Shillong Habayakran begilat pathai khubor uba Ernest ulakar padi ki pat ba jongka Garo Hills bakin je eka BJP hakani ka kanti khnang ban yo eka senshar ka ba khut bamdan jing bam sap hakani ka district council
given chance to Congress to make the EC there in Garo Hills Council, and they have given a chance to NPP. So it's my sincere request to the people of Garo Hills, if they want to bring the transparency and free corruption EC, give us a chance. As you know, on the 24th March 2019, the cabinet has taken a decision to strengthen this council in the northeastern state. So even there is a discussion to strengthen this council in our Khasi Hills Council, Janja Hills Council, and Garo Hills Council also. So I request the people of Garo Hills to vote BJP this time, so that we will form an EC which is free from corruption and focus on the development.
Badaki tu khubor ngila poisha ka bakon tat hadu bangi dia syambiang khublai shibun